The Office of Learning Technologies of the UOC, Universitat Oberta de Catalunya, has been working on how to use the Internet of Things to enhance the learning experience of its students. The Internet of Things is a new concept which adds internet connection to ordinary objects, thus allowing interaction among objects and with these objects. As a result, the Internet of Things opens new scenarios and endless possibilities. The UOC is an excellent environment in which to apply the Internet of Things. It is a completely online university. Everything except final exams is done via the Internet. This new field of technology can enhance the experience of our students by expanding their learning space and combining the physical and virtual environments. After having analyzed the different needs, requirements and constraints, we have designed a solution based on maximizing our technical infrastructure. One of the main aspects to take into account for the design of this Internet object is to be able to serve more than 50,000 students. As a result of this large volume, we have to address many different learning processes, as well as needs, contexts of use and desires. With this project, students will receive an Internet object that is a polyvalent gadget connected to the Internet with a small screen, visual and sound effects, as well as sensors for movement and position. The goal is to provide a good interaction between the student and the object. This Internet object is based on open source elements. The reason for this is that the object itself can be used as a learning tool for computer science and other technical students. Moreover, by leaving the object open, students will be able to adapt it and develop their own functionalities to meet their needs. The result is a community that will expand the uses and purposes of the object. These personalization processes of the firmware will allow students to design and develop suitable solutions for them. Through the community, these solutions will be shared and enhanced thanks to other students and the university. To start with, and taking into account the current needs of our students, we have designed a few applications for the Internet object, those that will be in the gadget by default. Some of these functionalities are: I'm Not Alone, an application that allows students to see how many classmates are connected at the same time. The goal is to fight the loneliness that some distance learners feel, as well as to increase participation in the classroom. Alerts. The gadget has audiovisual alerts to inform, through icons shown on the display, the events that are more interesting for the students, such as continuous assessment deadlines. These alerts are a way to prevent dropouts. Since the object is connected to the Internet, it maintains a bidirectional communication with the university. As a result, the object receives and shows information to the student at the same time that it registers information from the students to be sent back to the virtual campus. Other specific applications that are being developed as a result of the demand of faculty members are: Chronos. This application helps students to manage their time when doing a continuous assessment activity. The data is sent to the tutor in order to inform of the time spent by students to do the activity and therefore have more information to design new ones. Accent. This is a functionality for foreign language learners that will help them to improve their pronunciation skills by using the karaoke technology. Hand and audio math. Distance learners have seldom possibilities to read aloud mathematical formulas and write them by hand. This application will provide these opportunities.